Welcome, everyone. In this session, we're going to dive into the world of coding and its applications. Coding is what makes our digital world work. It powers websites, games, and software that we use every day. Whether it's a social media app, an online store, or even the games you play, coding is behind it all. Today, we'll explore the different types of applications that coding can create and why learning to code is such a valuable skill. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of what coding is and how it applies to real-world technology. Let's get started.
This training is part of the EU-funded Code4Future project. The project is coordinated by Gent GmbH in collaboration with L4Y Learning for Youth GmbH and Seyhan Danışment Gazi Anadolu Lisesi. Stay tuned for more coding content from this initiative. You can find more resources through the link provided in the description.
Now, let's talk about how coding is more than just writing lines of code. It's about creating a seamless experience for users. Applications are designed to interact smoothly across different platforms, whether it's a website, a mobile app, or software on a computer. But great applications don't just happen. They require careful planning, user understanding, and a structured development process. This brings us to the software development lifecycle, SDLC, a step-by-step approach to building successful applications. It ensures that we not only write good code, but also create something that truly meets user needs. So in this session, we'll break down what goes into designing and developing software that works efficiently and keeps users engaged. A great application isn't just about the code, it's about the people using it. To create successful applications, we need to focus on user needs first. Two important things are, first, user centricity. Understanding users is key to building apps that people actually enjoy and find useful. This means doing research, gathering feedback, and developing a deep sense of empathy for the target audience. Second, deep insights. It's not enough to assume what users want. We need real data. That's where user research methods like interviews, surveys, and usability testing come in. By understanding their motivations, preferences, and pain points, we can design applications that truly solve problems and enhance user experiences. The better we understand users, the better the final product. So, let's explore how we can apply this knowledge to create user-focused applications. 1. E-commerce website. Shopping online should be fast, easy, and enjoyable. That's why user-focused e-commerce sites include features like intuitive search bars, so users can find exactly what they need with minimal effort. Personalized recommendations based on browsing or purchase history to make shopping feel more tailored. Streamlined checkout with saved addresses, simple payment options, and clear progress steps to reduce cart abandonment. These features aren't just convenient, they're based on deep understanding of what frustrates or delights customers. The result? Higher customer satisfaction, more repeat purchases, and stronger brand loyalty. 2. Mobile application, language learning app. Apps like Duolingo don't just teach, they engage. They're a great example of applying user-centric design in education. Here's how they do it. Gamified learning, using points, streaks, and badges to keep users motivated. Bite-sized content. Lessons are short and focused, so users can learn on the go without feeling overwhelmed. Voice recognition adds interactive speaking practice, making the experience more immersive and personalized. These features help users stay consistent and excited about learning, two things that are hard to achieve in self-paced education. The impact? Higher user engagement and more effective learning experiences. Building a successful application isn't just about jumping into the code, it's a process. That's where the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, comes in. It's a structured set of stages that helps ensure a project runs smoothly from idea to launch and beyond. Let's break it down. 1. Planning and design. This is where it all starts. We define what the application needs to do and who it's for. Then we map out the system architecture, as well as the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX elements. The goal here is clarity and direction. 2. Development and testing. Now we start building. Developers turn those design plans into real, working code. At the same time, testing is happening to make sure everything works as expected. No bugs, smooth performance, and a great user experience. 3. Deployment and maintenance. Once testing is complete, we launch the application, but we're not done yet. Maintenance is key. This is where we fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features based on user feedback. Each stage of this cycle plays a critical role. When done right, the result is a stable, user-friendly product that's ready for the real world. And that wraps up the first part of this chapter. I hope you found it helpful so far. But we're not done yet. There's more to explore. In the next part, we'll continue diving deeper, so be sure to check it out. See you there.